Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make beetroot hummus using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepared. This includes 1 medium beetroot, 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, tahini, and fresh lemon juice. Don't forget your olive oil, a clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavors. This simple approach guarantees a delicious and vibrant dip. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for blending. Start by roasting or steaming your beetroot until it's fork tender. This usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes. While that's cooking, drain and rinse your 15-ounce can of chickpeas very well. Also, peel 1 clove of garlic and measure out 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. These steps are crucial for a smooth and flavorful hummus. It's time to bring everything together in your food processor. Add the cooked beetroot, rinsed chickpeas, peeled garlic, and lemon juice. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of tahini and 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil. Blend these ingredients until the mixture is incredibly smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides as needed. This process creates the perfect texture for your vibrant hummus. Your delicious beetroot hummus is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled with warm pita bread, crunchy vegetable sticks, or as a spread in sandwiches. For storage, transfer any leftovers into an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days. This makes it perfect for meal prepping throughout the week. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.